In this video, we'll show you how to generate a standard team report. There are two types of team reports you can generate with the EBW Assessment Platform: a standard report and an advanced team report. A standard team report focuses on the team dynamics, whilst the advanced team report focuses on the 6 drivers of an effective team: vision, trust, etc. So to generate a standard team report, first click on Report Users, option 3, then on Team Reports, and select Add a Team. Type in your team name without the word team afterwards, as this will be added automatically in reports and on the assessment. Next, hit the Create button. Make sure Team Standard is selected for the team report type, and then you'll see a drop-down list which will allow you to add the members of the team. There needs to be 2 members as a minimum and a maximum of 10. Pick your team leader and click the Save button. To generate the report, open the drop down on the bottom of this page and select the Team Standard Report. Click the Download Report button. As the report generates, 1 EBW standard credit will be deducted. Note that once a team report is generated, you will not be able to add new members without incurring an additional fee. You can remove a team member by selecting Edit Team, and I'll show you that now, and then changing the drop down for the user you want to remove back to Select User, and then clicking on Save. Removing users does not incur an additional fee when you generate the team report.